Hello Pisces, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for April of 2025 reading. No? For those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No? Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Ayan. So Pisces, marami tayong pag-uusapan. Nandyan po ang finances or wealth, career or job, no? Relationships, of course. Nandyan yung singles, crushes, no labels, or situationship. Nandyan po ang in a relationship. Ayan. Or nandyan din ang married couple, no? Third party situation, let's also check on that. No, iisa-isahin natin yan. I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading, baka konti lang. Take what's only yours. No? So simulan na natin Pisces. Parang may unti-unti tayong binabago. No? And that is our way of thinking. No? The moon card is actually you, Pisces. This is your card. Now that represents you. Either you want to make all your dreams come true, come to fruition. Pero ang nakikita ko dito, parang medyo nagmamadali tayo. May minamadali tayong mga bagay-bagay. No? I am seeing here success, but I am also seeing sense of urgency that might be an issue. Instead of reaching it without any problem, but because of the yung mabilis na takbo, that might create some more issues and challenges. Ikaw ang prone dito sa have you experienced yung nagmamadali ka? Madaling-madali ka kasi malilate ka na. Sa kakamadali mo, no, doon pa nalalaglag yung mga gamit, doon pa may nababasag, doon pa lalong tumatagal. No? Ikaw ang pinaka-prone sa ganyan. And especially this Mercury, we are still in the Mercury retrograde. Don't ever disregard the Mercury retrograde with the Page of Swords and the Hierophant. No, I think that this is the time for you to chill down a bit when it comes to finances. What I am seeing in here, you might have a lot of issues and probably questions na parang gusto mo sanang sabihin or gawin, no? Kasi nga, mag-ingat-ingat lang sa pagmamadali, no, ng mga bagay-bagay dahil ang nakikita ko, wala yan sa bilis, no? Wala sa bilis ng takbo, nandun yan sa diskarte. Okay? Nasa diskarte yan. Aanhin mo yung mabilis kung half-baked naman. 'Di ba? When it comes to career, ito ang isang problema mo din, Pisces, na alam natin may kakayahan tayo sa mga bagay-bagay. And we are really capable of doing things. There's no questions on that. Pero, meron kasi mga process yung iba 'di ba? Kailangan maka 6 months ka muna or kailangan regular ka for you to have a regular for you to be promoted, no? There may be some exceptions on that. Pero ang nakikita ko ngayon, baka kasi maging issue, no? Itong pagmamadali natin. Maraming taong aaray. Ayan. All eyes are on you. Singles. Relationship tayo, mag-start tayo kay singles. Bakit parang mas pinipili mo ngayon ang sarili mo? Ayaw mo muna, no? Kahit meron na nag-offer. Either this is because of traumas from the past. Tama ba ako? Nakakita ako kasi ng trauma from the past. And I feel like, no, nadala ba tayo? Or baka kasi nandito ka sa part na sige, I'm going to entertain you, pero hindi ako magiging seryoso. Alam mo yan sa sarili mo, hindi ka magseseryoso for now. Hindi naman sa habang buhay. For now. Are you just enjoying yourself alone? Because I am seeing here, itong parating na ito, I feel like seryoso siya sa'yo. Yun nga lang, ikaw ang parang hindi masyado. Sa mga may crushes, I feel like nagkakagusto lang si person sa'yo. Pero bakit kung kailan, di ba, syempre, kung may no labels and crushes, pagsamahin na natin, nakikita ko na almost the same, no? Ang lakas ng loob natin mag-express ng emotion. So, ayan nasabi na natin, nakapag-express na tayo ng ating mga saloobin, damdamin. Nung nagkakagusto na, hala, doon ka tumakbo. So, parang iniisip nila, baliw ba to? Nagpakita ng emotion, nagpakita ng mga, um, ng may interest siya. Tinakbuhan ako or tumatakbo or ngayon lumalayo. No? In a relationship, so magjowa, sama na natin ang married couple, wow, I'm seeing more clarities on this. Isama ko na yung third party ha. Kasi I feel like nagkaroon ng issue in the past, whether it is in kahapon, last week, last month, last year, kung medyo matagal na, time is not an issue. Pero nakikita ko ito yung pagiging malinis ng relationship. I feel like kung ano man yung mga nangyari, iiwan na natin yan, no? This might be our month apart from supposedly last month ang ating date of birth. I mean, ang ating zodiac, no? Span. Pero I feel like itong months na ito, will be an extension and much better things to happen when it comes to those who are in a relationship. No? The Two of Cups, the Three of Wands, the Devil card, the Fool card, the Seven of Cups. I am seeing here maturities, Three of Swords, and the Star. So malaki ang pagbawi. No? Nakikita natin dito, parang itong energy na ito, bigla na lang ding maglaland sa lap mo. Yes, because of the traumas from the past, sasabihin natin dito, sandali, nabigyan mo na ako ng, or I got disappointed with your situation, but I feel like you need to take some risk in here. But this should be a calculated risk. When it comes to finances, no, I feel like ikaw mismo, meron kang inaabangan, pero ayaw maniwala. Pero baka pagsisihan mo kasi hindi ka naniwala. Ikaw pa naman ang pinaka-blessed, no, sa mga intuition. So, hindi ka makikinig sa intuition mo. I feel like this will be a missed opportunity. Hahanapin mo ito dahil I feel like hindi ka makikinig sa sarili mong intuition. Take note of that. Career and job. When it comes to your career and job, so the Two of Cups, the Three of Wands. So, there will be an offer, mamalitin mo yung sarili mo. But instead of na taking some risk, with the Seven of Cups in here, gagawa tayo ng mga excuses. Bakit pa tayo nagmadali? Bakit pa natin minadali ang mga bagay-bagay na in the end, nandiyan na sa harapan mo, aayawan mo? When it comes to relationship, singles, Two of Cups, the Three of Wands. So, are we considering other people here? Or are we considering really ourselves? Kasi because of pain, no? Singles, siguro sinasabi mo dito, maganda nangyayari sa buhay ko, which is good, no? Probably you don't need some new person, but I just want you to know na seryoso itong taong to. Probably this person may also comes unrequited. So hindi mo masyadong gusto yung either itsura or hindi so mataas ang standards natin. Um, Hindi ko naman sinasabing sayang, no? Kasi you have your own standards. Pero when it comes to emotion, I feel like this is the person. Crushes, sa crushes, I feel like magkakagusto tayo sa iba. There's a new person coming your way. It could be an Aries or an Aquarius. That's true. No? Sa mga no labels and situationship, ang nakikita ko dito, ganun din, maghahanap ka rin ng iba. Kasi parang hindi mo ako pinapansin, pues sa iba ko ibibigay itong pwede kong i-offer. Malakas ang loob natin ngayon, Pisces. Married and in a relationship. So I feel like ito yung mga time na yes, nakagawa ng kasalanan sa atin yung person natin, nakagawa ng sabihin natin mga hindi magagandang bagay in the past. Ito yung sinasabi ko kaninang may bawi. Sama mo na yung third party uli. Kasi I feel like maraming ilalatag dito sa ating harapan, which I feel like this will be a promise that will be fulfilled. Maybe not all, pero most of it will be fulfilled. It can also be pumunta tayo sa beach, no, or I will spend time with you. Let's go out, no, on a date. Um, Maraming little things na gagawin si person to make bawi. Ganda. So tingnan natin dito, no, yung iba pang cards. Gusto ko lang pong ipaalala sa inyo na doon po sa ating kabilang channel, Babaylan TV. Diyan po tayo nagla-live. So, pwede po kayong sumali doon. And kung hindi nyo maabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as yung question po is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung hindi po kayo satisfy sa yes or no na sagot lang, dumiretso na po kayo dun sa ating website. There is a link. Click the link. No, dito po sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information, name, number, QR code, amount per questions for your reference. Ayan. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 dahil po discounted na yon. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. No? Or might as well, sumali kayo sa ating raffle sa Facebook. Doon ko po pinin yung message doon ko pinin yung video, no? Yung mechanics para makasali kayo. Ang bubunutin ko po yan ng April 1st. So, you still have time. Ilang araw na lang. Who knows? It might be you, no? Facebook, Babaylan TV. Alright? Let's get some more cards. What's the point of it all? So, ang nakikita natin dito, siguro ang tinatanong mo ngayon, kung hindi ko rin ma-achieve, or kung mangyayari din pala ito, bakit mabagal? Or kung bakit mabagal kung mangyayari, ganun nga din. Bakit mabagal kung mangyayari din pala ito? Kasi ito nga yan, masyado nating minadali ang mga bagay. And then, nung nandyan na, tayo pala hindi ready. What are we gonna do with this? No? Let's check some message from the universe. Take some time to rest and rejuvenate. Ayan. Nahaggard ba tayo? Just kidding. No? Ibig sabihin dito, bawiin natin yung ating mga pagod. No? Minadali natin, no? You need to pace yourself for the changes that are coming your way. Mag-imbak. No? Mag-imbak ng lakas. Dahil dadating yung time na kailangan natin susugod tayo sa bakbakan, no? Anong bakbakan yan? Na mapapagod tayo, no? They are all positive, or at least positive. Bigger and better things are coming just for you. Just relax and trust. Feeling ko ang trust dito is wala, not because of other people, wala doon sa sarili mo. Let me know sa comment section. That's something to ponder tonight, today, any time of the day that you probably watch this. No? Let's check some zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Aquarius, Sagittarius, Cancer, Leo, Capricorn, Aries, Pisces, um, Taurus. Did I just mention Sagittarius? Yes. Scorpio. Yes. Cancer. Yes. Baka kapwa Pisces. Uh, yan. Leo. Yan. So this is your reading. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.